weather around through today, and the heaviest of that rain will be across northern England and through the Midlands, and also some pretty heavy showers breaking out across the southeast of England. No need for me to tell you that it will be quite dangerous on the roads, and you can see where the rain came from. Pushed its way out of Scotland this morning. When it got into the Manchester area, some very heavy rainfall here. I've already heard reports of flooding on the M6, the M60 and the M62. Towards the southeast of England, some heavy showers have been breaking out here, and those set to rumble on for the rest of this afternoon. So one way or another, central and eastern parts of England will see some pretty wet weather. The odd rumble of thunder certainly possible. And drying up from the west, albeit rather slowly. Northern England, not too bad at all. Southern Scotland, similar, but we will see a few showers in northern Scotland. Temperatures here, 15 or 16 degrees, a fresh feel to things. 16 or so for the area underneath that cloud of the rain. 21 in the brighter interludes down towards the south and the east. And that rain will slowly clear away from the Midlands through this evening. It could take quite some time to actually get away from the southeast of England, and we could still have one or two spots of rain here early on a Saturday morning, but for the most part it's going to be a glorious start to the day. Plenty of sunshine around, and I think we'll see those afternoon temperatures creeping up to 23 or so degrees. Come the afternoon, there will be a little bit more cloud around, and that brings just the chance of a few showers across northern and eastern Scotland, eastern England, and maybe one or two across Northern Ireland. But for the most part, it really will be a fine day. Make the most of it, because the cloud in the southwest will be thickening up all the while, and that brings some weather fronts with it on Sunday. Now, this area of low pressure bringing in lots of moisture, weather fronts, and that's going to be spreading some very wet and very windy weather initially across the southwest of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Here we have quite a high risk of disruption on Sunday. Now, there is the rain, some wet, windy weather here. To the north and the east, it should be a bright start today. The sunshine turning increasingly hazy. And that's because that wet, windy weather will be spreading its way northwards and eastwards right across the UK through Sunday night, and it's still with us on Monday. So all are looking very unsettled to start the new week. Some rain for northern and eastern parts of the United Kingdom. That's all followed along by some blustery showers. We really could see some very wet weather in the next few days, Darren.